In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can view other people's TikTok account without them knowing. You can simply check others' TikTok profiles without getting listed in their profile view list. On your profile views, this is where accounts that viewed your profile are listed. Whenever someone checks on your profile, they will always appear just right here. It's the same case when you too view other people's profiles. So if you don't want to appear in the profile view list of others, you will have to simply tap on the settings icon right here. Make sure to disable this option off. When turned off, you won't be enabled to see who viewed your profile. It's the same case. They won't also notice whenever you view their profiles too. That's how easy it is to visit other people's TikTok profile without them knowing. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.